Welcome to this tutorial on the Splunk SPL top command. The top command is one of the most powerful and frequently used commands for data analysis in Splunk. It helps you identify the most common values in your data by frequency. This command automatically calculates percentages and provides built-in limit controls to manage your results effectively. Whether you're analyzing weblogs, security events, or business data, the top command will become an essential tool in your Splunk toolkit. The basic syntax of the top command is straightforward. You simply type the word top, followed by the field name you want to analyze. This simple structure makes it easy to get started with frequency analysis. The command will automatically return the most frequent values for the specified field, along with their count and percentage distribution. This basic form is perfect when you want to quickly understand which values appear most often in your dataset. Let's look at a practical example. Here we have index equals web_logs pipe top source_IP. This search examines weblog data and finds the most common source IP addresses. The index parameter specifies we're looking at weblogs, and the pipe symbol passes the results to the top command. The top command then analyzes the source IP field to show which IP addresses appear most frequently in your web traffic. This is particularly useful for identifying heavy users or potential security concerns. The limit parameter gives you control over how many results are returned. In this example, index equals sales pipe top limit equals 5 product. We're looking at sales data and restricting the output to only the top 5 most frequent products. By default, the top command returns 10 results, but you can specify any number using the limit parameter. This is especially useful when dealing with large datasets where you only want to see the most significant values. One of the most valuable features of the top command is its automatic percentage calculations. When you run index equals access pipe top status underscore code, the results will include both count and percent columns without any additional configuration. The count column shows how many times each value appears, while the percent column shows what percentage of the total each value represents. This dual perspective helps you understand both absolute frequency and relative distribution of your data. The top command can analyze multiple fields simultaneously by grouping unique combinations. In this example, index equals web pipe top method status, we're examining both the HTTP method and status code together. This creates groups based on unique combinations like get 200, post 404, and so on. This multi-field analysis is powerful for understanding relationships between different data attributes and identifying patterns that might not be visible when analyzing fields individually. The top command offers advanced options to customize your output. The showperc equals false parameter hides the percentage column if you only need count information. Similarly, showcount equals false hides the count column when you only want to see percentages. These options help you create cleaner, more focused reports by displaying only the information that's relevant to your analysis. You can use these parameters individually or combine them based on your specific requirements. Here's a comprehensive example that combines multiple parameters. Index equals sales pipe top limit equals 10 showperc equals true region product. This command analyzes sales data, limits results to the top 10 combinations, ensures percentages are displayed, and groups by both region and product fields. This type of complex query demonstrates the full power of the top command for detailed business analysis. You can identify which regional product combinations are most successful and understand their relative performance through both count and percentage metrics. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.